How to recover deleted projects on the Capcut mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted projects on Capcut mobile. First, go to the Capcut app on your phone. Make sure to log in to your account to recover projects. Now tap the space option to create a space. Then, go to the gear icon at the top of the screen. Here, select the Clear Cache option to remove junk files. If you had enabled cloud backup for your projects, you might be able to recover them. Deleted projects are recoverable only within a limited time frame after deletion. After that, go to the Me tab and tap the three bars at the top. You can switch your account to the other. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.